The most powerful thing we have is the story we tell ourselves about who we are, what that means, and what we are capable and deserving of. That story impacts and influences the thoughts that we allow to linger and take root, the words that we speak, the actions that we take, and even the relationships that we have.
She reminded me about the power of living honestly, because we get to and should be honest about how we feel. I need to be sad right now reminded me that we deserve to give ourselves room to process our emotions.
After a childhood full of abuse, a near-death accident that should have left me immobile, and a young adulthood filled with anger and depression, I am intentional about my story.
She reminded me that we're resilient and capable of taking control of our stories and how they will shape us. We can take those stories at any time and make them lessons learned and blessings counted. We get to ask ourselves, what's good about this of every situation? And we get to bask in all that we have to be grateful for right now.